What up guys, welcome back to the channel. Sorry I haven't uploaded in the past 2 weeks. I've just been hella busy, but we're back to the grind now. In the area in Los Angeles, we're driving close to Anaheim to pick up a carbon rear diffuser for the G, so I will update you guys once we get there. Yo, what up guys, made it back from Los Angeles, picked up the new carbon fiber diffuser, and right now we are going to be unboxing it. And I am recording on my iPhone right now because the GoPro batteries actually died. Diffuser goes crazy, guys. Imagine that double stack that I'm gonna have going on with the G now. I'm gonna have this diffuser on top of the F1 diffuser I already have. That combo is gonna go crazy, guys. And stick around for the install part of the video. I will be doing that tomorrow, so for you guys it'll basically be a second. But yeah guys, I cannot wait to install this. Probably gonna go have to get some 3M tape because it did not come with any, and probably some hardware too. Putting double-sided tape on this diffuser, double stacking it so it actually adheres to the bumper. And then we're gonna attempt to stack it on top of this F1 diffuser, but we'll see how that goes. So we actually ended up taking off the diffuser because a bunch of tape was showing and it was actually peeling off, and the wrap actually got lifted right here, but it's gonna get covered once again with the diffuser. So this time around I'm putting double-sided tape all right here. This time we got Gorilla tape. Alright guys, so we got the diffuser on with the tape, applied pressure. The brake light is caught under pressure behind the diffuser right there. We are experiencing some issues right here, and I got a riv nut tool to fix that. I did forget to get the actual screw part, so I just bought the tool. My bad. So right now we're gonna go to the Home Depot to get those, and then the diffuser should be solid after that. Just got back from work a couple hours ago, and the car's been parked for 2 days now, and the tape is peeling off really bad. I've already tried the tape twice and it's just not working. So we're going to actually put self-tappers here and in a couple other key areas to help secure it better. So we're gonna end up using these self-tapping screws to secure the diffuser because the tape is not working at all, and this will help fasten and secure it. It will give it more of like an industrial look, but as much as I'd prefer to keep it without any screws, it's just not gonna work out. I just stepped away from it for a second and it completely fell off. So we're definitely gonna do the self-tapping screws. So this part is still not sitting flush, but we did manage to screw the bottom part on right down here, and we did the same with the other side. Alright guys, so I ended up drilling 2 self-taps into the diffuser where the license plate frame will go, so this will cover these bolts, and it made it fit on there pretty snug. There's a slight gap right here, but I will figure out a solution for that later. As for right now though, it's looking pretty solid. Ended up putting 2 bolts on each side, And I was originally going to bolt it over here also, but figured why not put it here since the plate's going to cover it. Came out pretty solid, guys. We got the bolts on this side and this side. We also have the bolts under there and under there, so this diffuser is not going anywhere. It is fully secured, and in the next clip I will show you guys it in the daytime. Finally, today's the next day, and I'm gonna show you guys how this came out. So overall it fits pretty good, but we did run into an issue. It is not fully sticking right here. I'm gonna have to probably put 3M tape there or do something else and get rid of this adhesive right here. Also on the other side, it's not as bad on the other side, but definitely in the future I'm going to redo that. Yeah guys, that's the video for today. That's where it's gonna end. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry again about being absent from YouTube for almost a month now. I'll be back on the grind with lots of more content coming on the way, but I hope you guys enjoy that video, and I'll catch you all in the next one.